So today, what do we have here? We have a new GoPro Hero8 Black. I just bought this one. Ano ko unbox ani? But for you to know what's inside the box, okay, so let's see. So mo ni siyang actual gyud nga package. This is the actual package. And it comes with the camera itself, the battery, the thumb screw. This is a mount. And this is another flat mount and the USB cable wire. But this package is a special bundle. Mga ko gid ni siyang gipalit. May additional nga accessories unlike sa ordinary lang nga package, no? So nana siya, unsa man siya? It comes with a head strap, another one battery. So all in all there are 2 batteries inside. And the shorty. So dili na kayo siya lisod pag handle or paggunit sa GoPro. It comes with the shorty itself. Okay, so let's open it. Ding. Okay. Let's pull it out. Okay, there we go. Lo and behold. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to use this one for more videos to come. Okay, so this is the box. A box inside a box. So we have, what's this one? This is a GoPro Unlimited Access. This is the manual. I think this is a sticker. Manual, GoPro manual. And oh, here. So naa siya 32 GB memory card, USB cable wire. Okay, this is what I said, the head strap, thumb screw. Okay, this is not a flat mount but a curved mount, just like kung ibutang siya sa helmet. Yeah. And the 2 batteries. Duha ka battery. Original GoPro batteries. Nice. Oh, there's one. Oh, diara ang shorty. Oh, nice. Good. Nindot siya. Nice one. And this is the camera itself. Push it forward. Okay, there you are. So excited to use this one for the next videos. Patag mas nindot nga capture sa mga videos. Okay, so this is the camera. This is the GoPro Hero8 Black. So I think we need to get this sticker. So kasagaran kung brand new ang item, it comes with this one. So I think we have to get this one para makakita ta sa monitor if we are going to turn it on. Okay, there. So muna siya front side. Okay, so ato siyang i-open para ato isud ang battery. Okay. So we have here a memory card, SanDisk Extreme 32 GB. But then since gamay ra siya memory, no, 32 GB is not enough to store more videos. So I bought a 128 GB, 128 GB separate memory card. Okay, so ito yung butang battery. Okay, there you go. And ito i-lock. And we'll turn it on. Okay, so this is the on button. And I think kan siya pang capture sa video or sa anything. Videos, photos. Turn it on. Okay. Oh, you see that? There you are. Hello, hello. So I still have to study how to manipulate and do the settings of this one, of the GoPro Hero 8. So kinahanglan pa ko matanaw og guide or something. And I'm so excited to use this one for my next videos, my next vlogs, especially sa mga nindot kayong mga places sa Japan. And this is it. If this is your first time to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.